Hey guys, we received this jumbo insulated cooler bag for test and try. So this is a thermal insulation inside and then a premium collapsible bag or the soft coolers that makes a really nice grocery bag, or you can also use it for the travel or any other purpose. So it's a very nice bag. You can see the size. It's a gray color. And then from the side in this you can see inside this is the main the cooler one to keep the things frozen or things to keep cool. So this is a waterproof linen inside that can you easily take your frozen food or the things to be keep clean. You can also put your cans and ice directly in it and take it for the storage. So it's a very nice looking fabric on the top, but waterproof. And then inside is all cooler side with a really nice width. So you can see from the inside, this have a great space in here that you can store all your items. So after filling in the stuff, you can see that how this looks and feels good. You can also keep your mobile on the side or the zipper thing and a nice cooler bag.